In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image placeholders that preserve crop in PowerPoint. We're going to build a reusable image frame that holds on to your crop and zoom, even when you swap out the photo. This is perfect for consistent headshots, product frames, or any layout where you want a uniform look without recropping every time. Start by drawing a shape rather than using a built-in picture placeholder. Go to Insert, choose Shapes, and draw the shape you want. A rectangle or a circle works great, but you can use any shape or a custom one if that fits your design. If you need perfect proportions, hold Shift while you draw for a perfect square or circle. Position and size the shape exactly where you want your image to appear on the slide. With the shape selected, turn it into a picture-filled frame. Open Shape Format, choose Shape Fill, then Picture, and insert any image. This makes the image live inside the shape as a fill, which is the key to preserving your crop. If you don't want an outline, set Shape Outline to No Outline so the shape blends seamlessly. Now refine the image inside the shape. Go to Picture Format and choose Crop. You'll see handles for the shape and the photo. Zoom and move the image until it looks just right within your frame. Think of it like looking through a window. You're sliding the photo behind the shape and adjusting the zoom to control what's visible. When you're happy, click outside to commit the crop. If you plan to reuse this look, you can lock in the style for future shapes. Right-click the shape and choose Set as Default Shape. This preserves the fill behavior, outline, and other formatting, so new shapes you draw will inherit the same setup, saving you time. Here's the magic. To replace the image without losing your crop and zoom, right-click the shape and choose Change Picture. Pick your new image from your files or other sources. The framing stays exactly as you set it, so the new photo drops into place with no extra adjustments. To reuse this as a placeholder across your deck, copy and paste the shape wherever you need it. For broader reuse, add it to your slide master or include it in a template. That way, every new slide can use the same crop-preserving frame for consistent results. That's it. Clean, efficient, and perfectly repeatable. Use this method to build polished, consistent slides with minimal effort.